Hey, good morning, guys. Saturday morning here in the Philippines. Rained a lot last night. Looks like we might get some rain today. But we're going into town today to look for some tile and a range hood. But my wife has something to say to all you subscribers.
Thank you guys for subscribing. We reached more than 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, more than 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you. Love you all.
She's gonna be a YouTube millionaire.
Yeah.
Unless I stop doing videos. All right, so crew's not here today. They got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday off. So give you an update video because we won't be making any videos on the build till Wednesday. So they filled in the window and finished rendering this outside wall here. Started working on this here. That's it on the outside. They'll be done after they finish this up here. Take you inside. You see the mud, the puddle here, and where they mix the concrete. Got a lot of rain last night. I slept through it though. Got Rod and Brian, paint crew, working today. Oh, geez. Okay, they almost finished up the storage room here. Everything's looking good with the electrical box. Get a little vacuum cleaner in here. Get this stuff out of here. Manual transfer switch. Everything's looking good here. So I think next week we're really gonna start focusing on tiling. These guys should have some stuff painted by next week. Skim coat's going good. I started in the bedroom here this morning. Take you upstairs real quick, guys. So I just want to make a short video. Thank you guys for subscribing. So now I don't have to say that anymore. And we won't have a video out for a while. It's me and my wife's anniversary Monday, so we're going to Manila Monday. So the hallway is done. Jeez, they knocked us out yesterday. Both sides. Had 3 guys up here. A lot of rain came in the bedroom window last night. I'm not seeing any moisture come through from the rain, so that's good. They still need to they're gonna waterproof it, waterproof the top, and use that epoxy waterproof paint. All right, what else? I don't think I'm gonna take you guys to the well because we're going into town and it's pretty muddy up there, but they got down about another 4 feet yesterday. So we should be, wife went up and looked, she said the water's coming in pretty good now. So hopefully that'll be enough. So yeah, we're going to Manila Monday for our anniversary. Go do a little gambling at the casino. Go have a nice meal. We might take a video of that, I don't know. You guys might not be interested, but put some content. I'm not gonna go up there, it's too muddy. I told him you said it's flowing good. All right, guys. So I don't have to tell you to subscribe anymore. So, like, once again, thanks for subscribing. And hopefully we get a video out to you soon. I might do a video on our 6.45 acres here and what we paid for it. Tell you the truth, I haven't even explored all the land that I have here, so maybe we'll go on a walk and I'll check it out and tell you what we paid for it. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Talk to you soon. Later.